Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today's video is about pancakes. Make sure you watch the video till the end because in the end I will show you some beautiful ways to serve them. Subscribe to my channel and don't miss new easy recipes. And if you enjoy cooking as much as I do, like this video. If you have any questions, ask them in comments. You will find the list of ingredients in the description below. As you can see, I'm using 4 eggs, mix them a bit, then I add sugar and vanilla sugar. When the eggs are mixed properly and look like foam, we will start adding flour and milk step by step. The amount of ingredients is approximate, and when you mix the dough, you will see whether you need to add more flour or more milk. Here I started adding flour and you will see what the dough looks like. It's time for the milk now, and the dough will become a little bit more liquid. Now I'm adding baking powder and more flour. When the dough becomes thicker, we will add more milk. We have to do it step by step, otherwise the dough will be either too thick or too liquid. And now it's the time for the first check, and then we will decide whether we need to add more flour or milk. As you can see, it's quite liquid, so I will be adding more flour. And after checking it again, I see that the consistency is perfect. I am adding a spoon of sunflower oil, but this step is optional. And finally, it's the time to fry them. And here is the result. Look how beautiful they are. You can serve them in a pile or one by one, serving with fruit and any type of sauce you like. And here is the third way to serve them. Enjoy the pancakes, thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one!